Presentation and speech work.
Lesson 8.
Speak right.
The consonants S and Z. Today we'll talk about the consonants S and Z. The sound S is an alveolar fricative. The blade of the tongue rises to the alveolar, blocking the flow of air such that air escapes through the sides with audible friction. S is a linear sound. It's spelled with the letters S and C. Like S, Z is also an alveolar fricative sound. The blade of the tongue rises to the alveolar and blocks the flow of air such that air escapes through the sides with audible friction. Z is a furtive sound. It's spelled with the letters S and Z. See a few word examples that make the sounds: sorrow, zero, ice, rise, boys, case. Now let's contrast the two sounds. The difference between S and Z is the force exerted in producing the sounds. The force is less with the production of the sound S. The sound sometimes is divoiced. We make the sound Z with greater force than the sound. Listen and repeat the sounds now. S, Z, S, Z, S, Z. Can you think of words that contrast the sounds? Let's look at word examples. Sink, zinc, sign, zine, sip, zip, sue, zoo, ensign, enzyme, sap, zap. Can you give more examples?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Okwatcher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right.
Speak right. Your accent is your asset.